What's up, guys? So real quick, just a little bit off topic on whatever car I'm working on when this video comes out, but I'm in my 2008 Acura MDX SH super handling. So about a few days ago, got a check engine light and it reads emission system P0420. So most likely that is one of the catalytic converters going bad. So I've been told that there's this product called Cataclean. This is not a sponsor, this is not an endorsement or anything like that. I'm actually gonna just try it out because some of you know I live in California and I do need to go with I gotta go with a California compliant catalytic converter. So Honda wants about, let's just call it $1,000, like 900 and something bucks. Acura warehouse wants saying they want like about $900 for it, so let's just call it $1,000 with shipping and everything. So this product costs about 20 bucks, I think $23. So I'm actually at work right now, I'm about to leave, so I figured I'd make this quick video and then show you guys exactly whether it works or it doesn't work. So I mean, $20, I mean, worth a try before spending $1,000 for this catalytic converter. Little car's been good to me, so I mean it's worth it. Like I said, it's my daily, so it takes me back and forth. I already had it for, I want to say, about 7 years, and so far, tires, you know, the regular consumables, tires, brakes, battery, and one alternator and one purge valve, which that was an ordeal on its own, but that purge valve was $100 from the dealership. Lesson learned: only get dealer items when it goes to emission issues. So yeah, so I'm gonna go down to O'Reilly's, which is like right down the street. Let me turn this camera on really quick so I'll show you guys. So 29-mile range, so I did let the gas go down because this is a fuel additive. So 29 miles left, so that's way less than a quarter. It's about probably like an eighth of a tank. So you can see check engine light is on, and if you look at the screen, don't mind the date, that's a whole other ordeal that Acura and Honda have to deal with. But yeah, 420 emission system. So like I said, I'm gonna run down to the O'Reilly's real quick, which is conveniently located right next to a gas station. So run over there real quick and yeah, throw that in the tank, read the instructions I guess first, and fill up the tank. And I'll catch up with you guys as soon as I'm done doing this. Alright, so quick game plan, change of plans actually. So there it is, Cataclean. Got it at O'Reilly's. I know AutoZone sells it, so Cataclean. It's a 16-ounce bottle. So let's see here. Reduces hydrocarbon emissions up to 50%. Used as pre-treatment before emission tests, which I'm not due for an emission test, I just did it. And decreases carbon buildup. For best results, use 2 to 4 times per year. So all right. Cleans as you drive, cleans oxygen sensors, cleans fuel injectors, cleans cylinder heads. Nothing that it says about catalytic converters. So restores, maintains your exhaust and fuel system, restores performance, improves MPG, reduces emissions. Liquid science, safe for all gasoline, diesels, whatever, blah blah, and clean. So I'm gonna throw it out there either way. I mean, I already bought it. So empty contents of bottle into fuel tank at quarter full. A little bit under a quarter, or approximately 4 gallons. Drive normally for 10 or 15 miles, then refuel. Use 2 to 4 times per year. Optimal performance. Performance results depend on driver habits and vehicle condition. All right. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump this in there. I have 20. My range is 27. I know I'm not gonna get 27. So there is another. I've been looking at all the gas stations around the way home from me. I'm like 30 miles from home anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour this in there now. I only have 27 miles to go, and that should get me to the gas station that's exactly 15 miles away from where I am now. So I'm gonna reset the odometer, the trip, I guess, whatever we're gonna call it. Yeah, the trip. I'm gonna reset it. I'm gonna dump this in there right now, and then I'm gonna pick up again once I get to that service station and fill it up, and then I'm not really hoping that I don't think this is gonna work, but I'm gonna throw it on there either way, just because I've seen other people's reviews saying that it works. So I mean, might as well just give it a try, right? So I'll pick up with you guys once I'm at the Chevron gas station. By the way, right now I'm at the St. Clair. Gas is ridiculous, right? Ridiculous. All right, liquid hopes is in the gas tank. All right, so like I said, pick up with you guys once I'm at the next service station. All right, so same car, whatever. So trip A 0 and 207,310 miles. So here we go. All right, so quick little update. Made it to the other gas station. Gas is 509. Jesus Christ, 529, 549. Jesus. Anyways, so 12 miles left. Still checking July. Low fuel. How do you do this, guy? How do you do this? What are you doing? God damn it. Wait a minute. So there it goes. So exactly 14.5 miles. The Cataclean is asking for, where is it at? 10 to 15 miles. Yeah, so I'm very well within what they're asking. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the gas tank all the way up now, because I do gotta get home and I do gotta go to work for the rest of the week. So I guess I'm gonna fill it up right now. I mean, I got a few more miles to get home, maybe about, I don't know, maybe 20 miles, somewhere around there. But like I said, I don't think it's gonna shut off the check engine light, but I won't post this video until my next fill up, which, as much driving as I do, it'll probably be, today's Monday, so it'll probably be around Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon, on my way to or from work. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll go through a full gas tank and we'll figure out whether or not this is gonna work for me in particular, I guess. So I guess I'll leave it off right here and I'll catch up with you guys on the next update. All right, guys, so quick little progress update. It's Thursday, 291 miles driven, still have a third of the tank left, and I just left work, actually, just stopped for a quick second here. Like I said, this Cataclean, I really don't have any faith in this. I mean, the original Cataclean, but restores and maintains your exhaust and fuel system. All right. I mean, I thought for some reason I had the impression it was only the fuel system, but it does say exhaust, so it kind of converts part of the exhaust. Like I said, I didn't have any faith in it, and just right now as I'm pulling off to go home, I look up and the check engine light's off. So for the drive, you can see check engine light would normally be right there. 291 miles driven, and still have a third of the tank left. Call that a win in my book. Didn't think it would work. So yeah, those are the results. I mean, for me it worked. I've seen a few of them that it's worked, so I mean it's the real deal. I mean, no, it's not a sponsored video, it's no affiliation, none of that stuff. Although if I do find it on Amazon, if you guys want to support your guy, I'll have it linked down in the description box. Basically, you get it for no extra charge. All it's doing is letting Amazon know that, hey, I referred you guys to that product, and basically Amazon will give me, you know, like $1 or whatever, has, you know, for every sale, whatever it is. Oh, also, if you guys purchase anything else while you guys were referred to with that link, so like for example, if you guys hit that link and it sends you, and you guys go into the Amazon, even if you don't buy this and you guys buy, let's just say, I don't know, a cell phone case or anything like that, I will also get a kickback on that as well, and no extra charge to you guys. So that is a very good way of supporting, I guess, YouTubers or content creators. I don't really consider myself a YouTube creator or nothing like that, but it does help. So if I do find it on Amazon, I will link it down in the description box below. Cataclean, work for me. Again, not an affiliate, not sponsored, just a guy trying to save some money, I guess. Yeah, trying to save some money. So thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.